Welcome to the Vanier Expo, where innovation and learning take flight. Today, we're excited to showcase a unique project by our young coders, a custom controller app for the Tilo drone. Our adventure began with a challenge to create a controller app, a popular drone among tech enthusiasts, using Python, a powerful programming language, and Tkinter for the app interface. Python and Tkinter opened the world of possibilities. Our students learned how to create buttons, sliders, and controls to command the drone, all from their computers. The best part was seeing our code make the drone fly. It was amazing to see our app work in real life. The transition from lines of code to a flying drone was magical. Our app allowed us to control the drone's movements, capture photos, and even perform real tricks. This in our app was important. We had to make sure it was easy to use and that it worked well with the drone. For testing and collaboration, our students improved their app, making it more user-friendly and reliable. At the Vanier Expo, we're not just showing a drone in and now. We're sharing our journey in computer science, from coding to real-world application. This is sky-high coding, our DJI Tilo drone controller app journey, a testament to the heights we can reach with coding and creativity. Special thanks to our dedicated teachers, supportive families, and every student who made this project in Vanier Expo soar to new